Hey everybody, it's Eddie here, and in this video, we're going to be going over how to earn passive income daily through a platform called Nexo. I'm going to be going over the entire process step by step and everything that you need to know, so if that sounds interesting, definitely stick around. If you're interested in signing up, I do have a referral link down below. If you do use my link and sign up, you do get a $25 bonus when you deposit $100. That is an automatic 25% return on your investment. That amount may change depending on when you're watching this video, but I'll leave all the details in the link down below. If you've been on my channel for a while, I do talk a lot about earning passive income, passive interest, earning yield on your cryptocurrency through platforms like Celsius, BlockFi, and Crypto.com. Well, Nexo is another one of those platforms. Now you're thinking like, Eddie, how many platforms are you using? Why do you use so many? Well, I use all of them, and now I use Nexo, and that's because I like to keep my funds spread out instead of having them all concentrated on one company. Now, I'm specifically talking about Nexo for European users. I know if for those of you that are in Europe, some of these accounts may be limited. Well, Nexo is available in Europe, and if you're wondering if Nexo is available in your country, you can always Google, is Nexo available in blank. So before I go over all the rates and detail, I'm going to go over the entire process on how to deposit everything step by step and kind of explain the process as I go. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor, nor anything that I share in this entire financial advice, so make sure you do your own research and due diligence before you decide to move forward. So right now I'm in my Nexo app. My portfolio balance is sitting at 53.6K, and so far I've earned a total of $204 in interest. If I go ahead and click on that, you can see that I've earned 0.003 Bitcoin, 0.002 Ethereum, and 0.12 BNB. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is fund your account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus button on the bottom center, click on top up, and you can choose your assets. So you can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, stable coins of your choice. But for myself, I'm going to actually top up more Bitcoin. So I'm going to copy the address. And right now I'm in my Crypto.com app. I'm going to grab my existing Bitcoin on my Crypto.com app and transfer it to my Nexo account. You can do this from any account of your choice, but I'm going to go ahead and click on transfer, withdraw, crypto, external wallet, add new wallet, wallet address, click on Bitcoin, and then I'm going to paste the address that I copied earlier. Wallet name, we're going to call it Nexo, continue, and then the wallet address should be added on. I'm going to go ahead and click on withdraw BTC, do the max amount at 0.168 Bitcoin, withdraw, confirm everything. You can always double check your wallet address. So the to address, FWLR, everything looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. And depending on which cryptocurrency you decide to send, Bitcoin typically takes around 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, my Bitcoin should arrive into my account. Now, as soon as your Bitcoin arrives into your account, you immediately start earning interest. Now, what's really nice about Nexo is that they have a really nice interface on the app version and the desktop version. So we're going to spend some time on the desktop version. So once you log into your main account, when you scroll down, you'll be able to see how much you can earn up to. So Nexo definitely has one of the higher rates out there, but in order to get these higher rates, you do have to deposit their Nexo token, which I'll go over in a bit. But you can earn up to 8% on your Bitcoin, Ethereum, 12% on your Nexo token if you decide to hold their tokens, and up to 12% across your stable coins. Now this is earning up to, so this is the maximum amount you can earn, but that is if you're a part of their higher tier loyalty program. But if you're like me who just wants to earn the base reward rate, then under the earn interest section, go ahead and click on earn up to. And because my loyalty level is the base level, I earn 4% on the Bitcoin that I deposit. For stable coins, it's going to be 8%. But you also have the option to lock up your crypto for a month to earn about 8% more on your crypto. So for me, I have one Bitcoin in my Nexo account. I was earning 4% on that one Bitcoin, but I decided to lock it up for a month and earn 5% instead of the 4%. Another example is I have BNB within my Nexo account. Originally, I was earning 4% on my 30 BNB, but I decided to lock it up for a month and earn 5%. And the huge advantage, in my opinion, that Nexo has over a lot of its other competitors is that you get paid out every single day. And on top of that, you earn interest on the interest you get paid out on a daily basis. So whatever I make over here goes in here, and I make an additional 4%. Now, how do you earn that extra 1%? Well, you're going to go ahead and click on fixed terms. And I already have around 30 BNB that I locked up for a month where I earn 5% APY. I have it set to an automatic renewal. So on March 12th, I'm going to automatically lock it up for another month. You can turn it off if you want. You can see that for previous terms on February 12th, my BNB got unlocked and it locked up again because the auto renewal was on. But right here, you're going to have the option of 1 month, fixed terms, bonus 1%. The amount of BNB, I'm going to go ahead and click on max, and I'm going to click on create terms. You have successfully created a new term with 0.1244733 BNB for 1 month. And now I'm going to be earning 5% on my BNB. It's going to be unlocked on March 18th. Auto renewal, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off for now. So that's how you lock up your crypto for a month to earn that extra 1%. If I exit out of the screen and go up and click on the bell icon, I'm going to go ahead and click on view all. You can see all the times that I get paid out. So 16 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, and you can keep scrolling down and you can see all the interest you get paid out every single day. Now, in order to increase your rates, well, you're going to have to upgrade your loyalty level. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this right over here. And Nexo has 4 different tiers. You have the base, silver, gold, and platinum. Now, how this program works is that you have to have a certain percentage of their Nexo tokens in your portfolio to be at that level. In other words, if you want to be in the platinum tier, then 10% or more of your portfolio has to be in their Nexo token. The nice thing is that it's automatically going to tell you how much Nexo tokens to deposit. If you are outside of the US, you're most likely going to be able to purchase Nexo tokens directly from Nexo or deposit it from an exchange of your choice. If you're from the US, well, it's going to be a much more complicated process. I'm not going to be going over that in this video, but I'll save that for another time. Now, let's just say that I'm a platinum member, right? I have 10% of my portfolio in Nexo tokens, but the value of Bitcoin and BNB decided to go up and Nexo did not. Therefore, my portfolio is going to be off balance. Maybe my Nexo token is going to be 8% of my portfolio now because Bitcoin and BNB went up. Then I'm automatically going to be dropped to the gold tier. So I'm going to have to fund my account again with more Nexo tokens to become a platinum member. This can be a good thing or a bad thing, but in order for people to maintain their tiers, they decide to get paid out in Nexo tokens instead of the cryptocurrency of kind. For example, if I'm a platinum tier, then I can earn up to 10% on my stable coins. So every single day, I'm going to be earning back in stable coins. But if I decide to earn in Nexo tokens, well, this is all going to increase by 2% more. So every single day, instead of getting paid out in USDT or USDC or Bitcoin or Ethereum, I'm getting choose to pay it out in Nexo tokens. That way I maintain the value of my accounts to make sure that I secure my position or my loyalty level. If you look at the benefits of becoming a higher tier, right? The borrow benefits, the interest rates are going to be much lower. So 6.9% versus 13.9%. If you decide to utilize their exchange, instead of getting 0% cash back, you get 0.5% cash back. And then instead of earning 4% on your Bitcoin, you earn 5%. And if you decide to lock it up for another month, well, then that increases to 6%. And same with stable coins, instead of earning 8%, you'll earn 10%. So it all comes down to whether you believe in Nexo and you want to invest into their token. Now with Nexo, you can also borrow against your crypto. This is something that should be covered in a different video for another topic. But if you ever want to borrow stable coins, you can do that as well through Nexo. But if you have your crypto locked up for a month, then you're not going to be able to borrow against that. So make sure that your crypto is in flexible terms in order for you to borrow. Nexo also has an exchange feature where you can buy, sell, and swap your crypto. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So if you have cash in your account, you can buy your crypto of your choice. If you want to sell your crypto, you can do that. Or if you want to swap your crypto for another crypto, you can have that option as well. So let's say that I want to swap my BNB for some Bitcoin, 100% of it. Preview exchange. Then for a $0 fee, I can swap my BNB for Bitcoin anytime. Now, is Nexo legit? Is it safe? Is it secure? Well, that is something that you're going to have to decide after you do your own research. Personally, for myself, I feel like I've done enough research where I feel very comfortable having my funds in Nexo. They have $12 billion assets under management, 3.5 million Nexo users worldwide, 31 supported cryptocurrencies, and 200 plus available jurisdictions. If you're interested in spending your crypto within your Nexo account, well, you can always sign up for their Nexo MasterCard. If you're interested in their security, you can read more about it on their website. And they're also partnered up with really big names like BitGo, Ledger, Paxos, Blockchain.com, Circle, Fireblocks, amazing security, Terra, Brave, much more. And they have a really excellent rating on Trustpilot, 8,000 reviews and 4.6 stars. So they definitely caught my interest and definitely will be experimenting with them, trying them out over time, and we'll keep you all updated. Well, with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave it down below. Consider checking out the Patreon group, link down below as well, and make sure you sign up, get your $25 bonus, and I'll see you guys in the next video over. Good night, good morning, adios.